If you're looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office in 2026, there's a good chance you've heard about OnlyOffice. Because honestly, more people are starting to look for Office software that doesn't require expensive subscriptions, and OnlyOffice has become one of the most popular alternatives available today. So in this video, I'll show you how to use OnlyOffice step by step, including creating document spreadsheets presentations, and the main features beginners should know. First, what is OnlyOffice? Is a free Office suite that allows you to create and edit Word documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDF files, and more. It offers desktop, web, and mobile apps with collaboration tools and Microsoft Office compatibility. Many users choose it because it supports common Microsoft file formats like AOC, XX, and PPTX, which makes switching easier. Now let's get started. First, download OnlyOffice from the official website. Install the version 4. Windows Maker, Linux depending on your device. OnlyOffice provides free desktop editors for all major platforms. Once installed, open the application. You'll see options for document spreadsheet presentation and PDF tools. Now let's create your first document. Simply click Document, then choose Blank Document. This works very similarly to Microsoft Word. You can type text, change fonts, adjust spacing, insert image, create tables, and format pages using the toolbar at the top. And honestly, most Microsoft Office users feel comfortable with the interface very quickly. Let's talk about saving files, because this is important. Click File, then Save As. You can save documents in different formats, including DOS, XPDF, TXT, and ODT, depending on your needs. Now let's move to Spreadsheets. Click Spreadsheet, then create a new file. This works similarly to Microsoft Excel. You can enter data, create tables as formulas, build charts, and organize information. And honestly, if you've used Excel before, most of the basics will feel very familiar. Now let's talk about formulas, because spreadsheets become much more powerful when you use them. For example, you can calculate totals, budgets, expenses, or business data using built-in functions. And honestly, this is one of the reasons spreadsheets remain so useful. Now let's create a presentation. Open Presentation, then create a blank slide deck. From here, you can add slides, insert image, create text sections, use transitions, and build presentations for school, business, or personal projects. Now, another useful feature, PDF support, because OnlyOffice allows users to open and edit many PDF files directly inside the platform. This is something many free Office suites struggle with, and honestly, it's one of the features many users appreciate. Now let's talk about collaboration, because OnlyOffice includes tools designed for teamwork. Users can share files, leave comments, track changes, and collaborate on documents online. This makes it useful for students, businesses, and remote teams. Now, another thing people like, compatibility. Because one of the biggest concerns when switching away from Microsoft Office is whether documents will open correctly. OnlyOffice is often praised for strong compatibility with Microsoft Office formats. And honestly, that's one of the main reasons it has grown so much. Now, something very important. No Office suite is perfect, because some advanced Microsoft Office features may behave differently depending on the file. So if you're working on highly complex business documents, always double-check formatting before sharing important files. Now let's be honest for a second. Most people don't actually use 90% of Microsoft Office's advanced features. They mainly need documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF, and for many users, OnlyOffice handles those tasks very well. So to wrap this up, to use OnlyOffice in 2026, download the software, create documents, build spreadsheets, make presentations, save files in Microsoft formats, use PDF tools, and explore collaboration features. Because, honestly, for many people, OnlyOffice is one of the strongest free Microsoft Office alternatives available right now.